Welcome to Maths 123. We can solve this quadratic equation x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0 with two methods. First method which I am going to explain is factorization method. And to solve this quadratic equation by using factorization method, I will compare this quadratic equation with this identity a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2 times a times b plus b square. So if I compare this quadratic equation with this identity, I'll find my a is equal to x. But here I don't know what is my b. So I have to find this b here first. So see here, this is x. So this term I can write as this x square as it is plus, and this x I can write as 2 times 1 by 2 times x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now I got my b, which is equal to 1 by 2. If I compare this with this identity, so b square will be 1 by 4. So here next step, I will add and subtract 1 by 4 from this quadratic equation. So I will get here x square as it is 2 times 1 by 2 times x plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 as it is equal to 0. Now see this whole thing. This whole thing is equal to x plus 1 by 2 whole square. So, and this as it is 1 by 4 plus 1, which is equal to 0, as it is x plus 1 by 2 whole square. Now if I solve this, I'll get plus 3 by 4 is equal to 0. So here this term I can write as x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 4 I square is equal to 0, as we know that I square is equal to minus 1. Now I can write this as x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus square root of 3 divided by 2i whole square is equal to 0. Now again, this is my identity. This is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So here I can use this identity. Here my a is x plus 1 by 2 and b will be square root of 3 divided by 2i. So I can write this as x plus 1 by 2 plus square root of 3 divided by 2i times x plus 1 by 2 minus square root of 3 divided by 2i is equal to 0. So this implies my x plus 1 by 2 plus square root of 3 divided by 2i is equal to 0, or x minus 1 x plus 1 by 2 minus square root of 3 divided by 2i is equal to 0. So this implies x is equal to negative 1 by 2 negative square root of 3 divided by 2i. So I can write this as 2 down negative 1 negative square root of 3i, or here I can write as x is equal to negative 1 by 2 plus square root of 3 divided by 2i, which is equal to negative 1 plus square root of 3i divided by 2. So these are the two roots of my given quadratic equation. The second method to solve this quadratic equation is quadratic formula. So here I will compare my quadratic equation with general quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If I compare this quadratic equation with my general quadratic equation, I'll get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to 1. So according to this formula, so my roots of this quadratic equation will be x is equal to negative b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2c. So here we will use this direct formula to find the roots of this given quadratic equation. So here my b is 1. So I can write this as x is equal to negative 1 plus minus square root of b, which is equal to 1 minus 4 times 1 times c divided by 2 into 1, which is equal to negative 1 plus minus square root of 1 minus 4 divided by 2, which is equal to negative 1 plus minus square root of negative 3 divided by 2. So this is equal to negative 1 plus minus square root of 3i. As we know, negative 1 is equal to I divided by 2. So here from both the methods we got the roots of this quadratic equation are negative 1 plus minus square root of 3i divided by 2. If you like the video, please give thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos and hit the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.